converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions. Pause the video and have a go at examples 8, 9 and 10. In example 8, we have to write 17 fifths as a mixed number. Now a mixed number basically is a whole number and then a fraction instead of just one top-heavy improper fraction. So we need to divide the 17 by the 5. See how many times 5 fits into 17, which should be 3. 5 threes are 15. And that leaves 2 left over, the 2 which still needs to be divided by the 5, so 2 fifths. In example 9, we go the opposite way. We're going to write this mixed number, 2 and 5 sixths, as an improper fraction. So the 2 there, 2 wholes, if we were to think of that as sixths, that would be 12 sixths. 2 times 6 is 12. So we'd have 12 sixths, that's your 2. And then you also have the 5 sixths that's there already. Okay, and that gives you 17 sixths. Now, when you're doing that question, you won't write this out, but it's just how you think about it. The 2 is 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 5 gives 17, so 17 sixths. And example 10, calculate 42 divided by 5, giving your answer as a mixed number. Well, 42 divided by 5, a division and a fraction are the same thing. That's 42 fifths. And we need to divide the 42 by the 5. 5 goes into 42 8 times, and then there's 2 left over. So instead of writing the remainder 2 that we did earlier on in the course, the best way to write that would be 2 fifths.